Okay.
All right, y'all, back with New Content TV. All right, yeah, so pretty much you guys are witnessing a shakedown in Young Thug's cell. You know what I mean? They had to do a shakedown because apparently they've been hearing a lot of complaint about noise going on that night, like page flipping and sound like somebody doing you know what I mean, like doing something weird in the cell. You know what I'm saying? So right now they're doing a shakedown, try to find any porn materials in the cell. You know what I mean? The XNXX magazine. Yeah, because people just tired of hearing that noise at night, man. I'm sorry, y'all, man. No, I mean, it's just it's unfortunate, man. It's unfortunate to see for everybody that think that jail is cool. You know what I mean? Y'all niggas out there that think jail is cool, and this lifestyle that y'all live, this is what you guys gotta deal with, man. A cell this small. You know what I mean? Niggas going through your shit, throwing your paperwork around, throwing your food in your bed like a burrito. And if you look at the cell, they only got one little window where you got to stand on something just to look outside, man. That's not the type of life none of y'all want to live. You know what I mean? I know some of y'all thinking like, man, I ain't gonna get caught or whatever, man. Okay, tell the niggas that's in jail right now that this is the same thing you said, that they were never gonna get caught, and look at them. You know what I mean? So it's unfortunate, man. His situation is crazy, man. This man had it all. I don't understand how people have it all and just surround themselves with trouble. So even with Big Juke and Yo Gotti, you know, um, these people I mean, it just don't makes no sense to me when you have all this money, and the whole purpose of having money is to move away from certain areas, to live better, to do better. You know what I mean? And that way you don't have to look over your shoulders or whatever. You know what I'm saying? So they're doing a shakedown in this nigga room right now. And so it's crazy. You know what I mean? Nobody wants to get their stuff thrown around the place like that. It's a very unfortunate. Um, I know he was pretty mad, upset, because it probably happened at 3 o'clock in the morning, and that's the time where, you're trying to get some alone time, man. You know what I mean? Before you have to wake up and do the head count and everything like that, man. I know if I was up in there, I wouldn't want nobody to disturb me at 3 o'clock in the morning, man. 3 to 4. That's when I pull out the magazines, man. You know what I'm saying? It gets busy. You know what I mean? And for them to, to come in and disturb my quality time, and they know I got court in the morning and all that, I'll be pissed off. Yeah, man, I'll be really pissed off, man. You know what I'm saying? Niggas come in my quarters like that. But hey, that's part of the game when you in prison. You know what I mean? And he's lucky to even have his own prison. You know what I mean? That's kind of like a luxury, man, to have your own prison like that, because he's a celebrity. It's kind of messed up, man. You know what I mean? The only people that I think, from what I've read, I believe, and that people that have their own quarters are the ones that are highly dangerous criminals that they actually be killing their cellmates. You know what I'm saying? So they're never getting out. You know what I mean? But that's just part of the luxury of doing life. You know what I mean? It's crazy. But yeah, other than that, nobody gets to sell to themselves. You know what I mean? I don't know how Young Thug was able to pull that off, or what, or if he got or it's crazy. You know what I'm saying? So it's crazy, man. Yeah, so you guys witnessing right now the shakedown of the cell. They're just throwing all this shit around. You know what I mean? And come to find out, then he find out the magazine that he be looking at night. You know what I mean? Uh, so I don't know what inmate was complaining about the noise at night, about some like somebody chewing gum real loud type of noise, and page flipping. So that's what I don't know if you guys read the form or the paperwork they have on a complaint, that the inmates, man, they keep hearing a lot of noises. They can't sleep because they just keep hearing this page just keep flipping, and a lot of heart breathing and things like that, man. So we all know what time it is, man. We all know what time it is. Come on now, you know what I'm saying? But hey, what can you do? This is part of the game. When you in prison, you have to deal with the elements around you. You know what I mean? Yeah, so the inmate was he had to cover his ears with his pillows because he just tired of the noise. You know what I mean? And that's just the way it is. So if you don't like the environment that comes with prison, man, don't end up in prison. That's just as simple as that. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, y'all, please follow the channel. It's back with new content TV. We don't know what the outcome's going to be with Young Thug. It's dragging on real long. I don't. This is federal, so I don't know if they're going to credit him. I don't know how this whole jail prison system goes because I've never been there, and I don't never want to be there. You know what I'm saying? I like my freedom. I like waking up. You know what I'm saying? I like waking up in the morning when I want to wake up in the morning. Most of the time, I wake up to go to work. You know what I mean? I do my workout when I want to do my workout. I eat what I want to eat. You know what I mean? And nobody going through my bed, throwing my pillow around, flipping my bed over and all that, throwing my mattress to the side. Nah, man. Forget that. Forget that. Anyway, y'all, this is Elite Panama back with new content TV. Follow me on TikTok. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram as well and Facebook. All right, y'all, and Rumble. Yeah, I go to Rumble as well. All right, man. So, yeah. So, I appreciate you guys for supporting the channel. You know what I mean, and please show your support on the other channels as well. To get some new merch. I got a merch store now that's up and ready to go. The new generation bigcartel.com. Y'all can go there and get some merches from that store. All right, y'all. So appreciate you guys for the support. You know what I mean? And it's just let's grow together, man. Let's grow together. All right, y'all. So anyway, man, all I gotta say to all the young people that's listening, prison is not a place you guys want to be. There's nothing cool about it. And if you see niggas having a good time in prison and in jail and they're posting all these videos up on YouTube and Facebook and Instagram, man, it's all cap. Them niggas is not happy, man. The niggas is not having a good time. You know what I'm saying? Because, while you locked up, you could best believe somebody splitting your girl cheeks in half. Please believe it. And most likely it's going to be a nigga like me. All right? It's going to be probably me. You know what I mean? So if you don't want me to be in your girl's buns, man, stay out of prison, y'all. All right, y'all? Anyway, man, it's Billy Panama back with new content TV. Holla at me.